Hello friends, so in this video I will show you how you can fix error 1030. This is got error 176 read page with wrong checksum from storage engine area. So I will show you how you can fix this error. Basically, when I open my PHP admin and I click on user accounts, I'm getting this error, which is error 1030, and this is what you can see on the screen. So how you can fix this error? It's very simple. So you have to simply go to the left side and click on mysql, and left side click on mysql, and here you can see these are the all the tables inside the mysql database. So simply scroll down each table, so simply check all, and from this drop down menu select repair table. Okay, select repair table, and once you click on repair table, it will automatically repair all the tables. Simply now again you can go to your, and now this time I click on user accounts, working fine, means the error has gone. So